guys, my name is Gabriela Garibello and I'm gonna tell you about Hippolyte's Baraduc experiment of taking pictures of the human soul. But first, I wanna tell you about who Hippolyte Baraduc was. So I'm gonna show you a picture of him. That's it. He was born in Paris, France in 1850 and he died in 1909. He was a physician and he also studied psychiatry. He was married with Nadine and they had a son that died with only 19 years. When his son died, Baraduc decided to take a picture of the coffin of his son, and when he revealed the photo, there was like a mystic cloud emanating from it. Since that moment, Baraduc started taking pictures of people that was close to the death because he wanted to capture the human soul, like the forms of the human soul. I first, before continue with this, like telling you about the experiment, I have to tell you what people at Baraduc understood about the human soul or what he believed. So, in his book called The Human Soul and Its Movements, Baraduc says that the human soul is like fire because it emanates some light and also because it is energy. From this believing of the human soul, he creates like an artifact to know what to see the movement of the human soul, and from what he saw, he could know when someone was close to the death or when someone was very excited and its soul was moving a lot. So I'm gonna show you the artifact that he created. That's it. It is the biometer. It is an artifact created with a needle and a thread. From the thread is hanging a needle and this needle will move if you are very excited and your soul is moving because of it, or if you're close to the death and your soul is moving because of it. Well, you put close to the artifact your hand, like this is the artifact and this is your hand, and you put it close, and if the needle is attracted or rejected by the needle, what if the needle is attracted to your hand or is apart from it, like repelled from your hand, it says something. Baraduc had a formula to know what each movement of the needle means, but I don't have it, like, so I can explain it. So he used this artifact to know when to take pictures of the people. Before showing you the actual photo that I chose, I want to show you this photo because it's from a kid that is alive, and we still can see like a light emanating from the kid, especially in the first two pictures. And Baraduc says that your soul moves a lot when you're doing something that you like a lot, or when the soul is leaving your body. I show you this picture because I want you to see that it's not necessary to be close to the death to like to see the movements of the soul. Now, the picture that I choose from to do this work is this. Here we can see Hippolyte's wife, Nadine, as you can remember, if you remember that. This picture was taken 20 minutes before she died, and we can see that like this mystic cloud I talked like a little bit before, but this mystic cloud is emanating from the chest of her, and we think that this light that we see is the soul of Nadine leaving her body, and that's what Baraduc says. Like we can see how the soul is leaving the body, and well, that's how his experiment worked. To take this picture, he had to do some things. The first thing is to know that she was close to the death. So when any patient was close to the death, and he knew that, he put his cameras in the room, and every 20 minutes he took pictures of the patient. And that's how we know that this picture was taken 20 minutes before the death. And when the patient died, he revealed the photos, and he could see like the movement of the soul of the patient. And here we can see the movement of the soul of Nadine, the soul of Nadine. Yeah, Nadine's soul. Yeah, that's it. And that's it. That's how Hippolyte Barduk tried to take pictures of the soul, and now we only know him because of these works, nothing else, and the books that he published. And that's it. Uh, Thank you for watching.